It
first and second ranks in that examinations. We will appreciate first and second rankers. So our principals are appreciated through the medals and mementos. Madam will announce names class-wise, first and second from foundation and volunteer. So those are coming to here. Who are the madam? One of the names. And one more thing. Yesterday we make a call to our parents from parents how their children studying in the home. So most of the parents are told they are very well, they are studying no problem, sir, but they are not followed in English, they are speaking there also. The main motto is our school speak in English. So we speak in English in the campus. Everyone should speak in English only. Because of your parents also expected that if you speak in English, they will satisfied. That's good. My child is speaking English and very happy to that. Because they are getting not, they are asking not marks and everything. Only they are observing was speak in English or not. So speak in English in campus. Don't speak in Telugu. And also we have a lot of complaints also. If you speak in Telugu, they are not. You are using in Telugu backgrounds also. That's why you are avoiding in Telugu language in the campus. So don't speak in Telugu. Okay. All the rest from essay to 9th class students. They are writing essay to Hindi examination. And also who are writing the essay to upcoming 80 examinations also will be there in 6 to 8 classes. The timetable also will be forwarded. So be ready all the way from 80 to examination also. The handwriting is also most important. We are observing yesterday from 9th class students who are writing the essay to examinations. So most you need to include handwriting also. Thank you. Madam will announce and principals will appreciate it.
So very soon, morning school will be started. So try to clear your fees, but these are school fees. Your parents to clear the school fee and bus fee as early as possible. It's already time out. So consistent source given to you. So ask your parents at least to clear in this week, first week. Because in first week the parents may get salaries. Hurry up them and close your videos.